Okay, so good morning once again. We will continue our problem solving. Okay, so we will now solve another problem from the book of Ken Black. So this problem again. So another reminder, if you already watched this video, pause the video and try to solve the problem on your own. Okay guys, please don't watch the video, study the video. Okay, study the video. Okay, so what we're going to do, if before reading the problem, we will write or draw the framework, and then upon reading the problem, every words that we're going to put in our framework. Okay, so this is just another problem, a very similar problem that we had two videos ago. Okay, so the statistical abstract of the United States published by the U.S. Census Bureau reports that the average annual consumption of fresh fruit per person is 99.9 pounds. So this is the average consumption in the United States. So average consumption of the population here. The standard deviation of the fresh fruit consumption is 30 pounds. Talking with the population. So that's population standard deviation. And then suppose a researcher took a sample of 38. So that's the sample size, 38, and had them keep a record of the fresh fruit they ate for 1 year. What is the probability that the sample average would be between? So in this case, the difference here is we're trying to get the average, or we're going to get the probability of the two values now. So in this case, our x bar are 2. We have the low, the 98 here. This is our x bar low, our mean low, and we will have this one as our mean high. So in this particular case, we're going to use what kind of formula? Okay, so we're going to use the formula, the z-score formula, na wala yung finite correction factors. In this particular case, we're going to use this formula here. Okay, take note once again that we're going to solve two z-scores here. Okay, we're going to solve two z-scores. Okay, the first is the mean with the 98. That is why I called it z low. Okay, z low. So that's 98 here, and then if we're going to solve the z low here, that is negative 0.39. And then if we're going to solve our z high is equal to, where we will just replace this one, the 98 here, with our 105. Okay, so this is how you do it. I would like to share how we are going to do it using the calculator. Okay, so nakastat, so make sure to reset mode 1, and then here the x bar is 98 minus 99.9 over fraction again, and then 30 divided by square root of 38. Just press equals here. That is how we get this value here, the negative 39. And then if we're going to get the value here, if we're going to replace this one, the x bar here by 105, do not AC this one, and then you try to solve it again, encode it again. To save some time, just click here, then just replace this value here by 105, and then just press equals. Okay, that is 1.05. okay, so we have two z here, two z's. We have the z low, and then we have the z high. If we're going to use the software to solve this value here, so it is here, plot in the distribution plot. So the negative is located here, and then the positive here. So this is the 0 portion here, the center, and the negative, and then the positive. So we're going to get the probability inside this area here. Okay, how we're going to use this one? So normally we're going to use this z table, minus z table. So in order to maximize the use of technology, we're going to use again our very powerful formula here, our very powerful calculators. How we're going to do it again? So make sure that you have the stat function here. So mode stat, and then 1, and then just press AC. So the stat function is already available. So you go to shift stat the 1, and then you go to the distribution 5. So last time we discussed that if we're going to solve for the value of the left side, so we're going to solve the value of the p, and then for the right side in the r. How about if it is in the center? So in the center, this is very easy. So you will just use this formula here, the p, but we have to minus the p high minus the p low. Okay, p z high minus the p z low. So in this case, p So 1, and then what is our z height? That is 1.05, and then you close that one, and then minus, you start it again, shift start, shift start 5 1 p again, and then you're going to input the z low here, so negative 0.39, and then just press equals. Make sure that we're going to get this value here, equals, and then tada, that is your answer. Okay, so guys, please do not watch the video, study the video. Okay, so see you again in the next problem.